you can see, we're in a different place. So I got a request from my cousin to do a cooking video, so that's what I'm going to do. So this is the comment. Shout out to you. Go follow her on TikTok, Insta, blah blah blah, those places. So yeah, let's get started. Today we're making brownies, and yeah, I'm really excited because I haven't made brownies in a long time. So the things you will be needing. These are the things you will be needing, and if you can't really see, you can do your remixes. I do many remixes, but today I had them, and it's a video, so like I'm not gonna do no remixes. But you can use drinking chocolate. You could not use brown sugar. Like me, I really don't care as long as you like it. But if you want it to be nice, like if you're really scared, just do it the way it is. So yeah, let's get started.
She can't do the gora gora.
This is the melted butter. You need 1 cup of melted butter. If you think melted butter is nice, yuck, actually you're disgusting. So you need to melt the butter. I can't. Ew, this stuff is disgusting. I don't know, I'm just weird like that. So then you need also 1 cup of brown sugar, but like I'm just gonna do all this because this is practically 1 cup. This brown sugar is so rich. Like actually, this brown sugar is rich. Why is there a raisin in here? Yuck, no, no ma'am, no ma'am. So then after you put the brown sugar, you put in the white sugar. It says granulated, but who got the time for that? Like me, I don't know even where I'm going to find that. I don't know, like I don't even know. I'm just gonna use the sugar that we have at home, cause yeah. And then you need eggs, 4 eggs into the bowl. So you're mixing the butter, sugars, and 4 eggs. So yeah. So I'll show you me cracking one of them. Oh wow, and I'm using the butter spoon like. So it's time for mixing. So I literally forgot. I didn't know that we were going to sift in the dry ingredient. So I used a small bowl because I just thought it's okay. But we mix thoroughly with your hands. Don't use a hand mixer because it says that it will make it cakey. But you should use a whisk. But like I don't have a whisk, but I have a hand mixer. I know it's weird. It's weird. So you need to sift. Did I already tell you? I think I already told you, but sift in flour. I am fancy. I have sea salt right here. Fancy. I'm so fancy. So you sift in 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of cocoa powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. So you do that, do it. Gansui. Oh, okay. Gansui. Me and my broken sift. I'm so dumb, like actually. I use this small thing and then it starts pouring. My goodness. Like it's just pouring everywhere. So I've sifted everything in. Now I'm going to now I'm going to mix it. I'm telling you the amount of dust the flour and cocoa brought. Like man, like it was literally a sound. Oh, my hair got in. So this is how the brownie batter is supposed to look. So guys, I forgot to put the vanilla. So now you guys are just gonna be like, so I think I already talked about the vanilla in the beginning, so you might have done it. The recipe is down below. So yeah, I forgot to put the vanilla, so I think I'll just put it right now. Next thing we gonna do is some chocolate, because like, yeah, I choose Top Deck, Dairy Milk Top Deck, because like that's the best. Well, I don't know, I guess it's like, I'm just used to it. That lighting though, ooh. But yeah, I'm just used to it, so That's the one that I do. You can choose anything, and I do chopstick because like I like that little white just coming in, you know. This stuff is melted because I was keeping it in the sun. I don't know why I'm that stupid, but I'm that stupid. Okay, so you kind of get the gist. I'm gonna do a big packet of dairy milk and a small packet. That's what I'm gonna do. If you don't know what 3 4 cups is, I'm done chopping. And if you don't leave a duo, like 2 of them for yourself, then you don't like chocolate, like period. So guys, now I'm just going to put these in and fold them in. Fold the chocolate in. Ugh. You're supposed to put some on top at the end, but I forgot. So make sure to grease your pan. And yeah, so I don't preheat my oven, but now is when I normally preheat my oven. And you preheat it to 175 degrees Celsius because I am not I don't even do this, and you probably don't either. So yeah, 175 degrees Celsius. The hardest part is getting this last slice. This last slice is hardest and most important. Ooh, I hate doing this actually. In the oven at 375 for 20 minutes, but like it varies. So 20 minutes and then check. After the 20 minutes, check. And then, yeah, just do 20 minutes first. And then I have the brownie here. It kind of broke when I was whatevering it, but that's how it looks. And here's a chunk of chocolate. Oh, I'm so excited. Like so excited. I haven't had something chocolatey in so long, so let's taste it.
Even I'm jealous and I don't eat.
This is so good. Oh my. I'm crying. It's fudgy on the inside. And the crunch on syrup is crunchy. It's just awesome. Look at that. This is it. Like, oh my god. It's so fudgy though. If you want it like cakier, put it in the oven for longer. But if you want it fudgy, do 20 minutes, then add a little bit for it to get like cooked. So that was so good, like oh my gosh. That was really good. So bye guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Tune in next time for another random video that I might do. We'll see. I might do a challenge. Okay, bye.